Understanding monopolists, key characteristics, criticisms, and government regulations. A monopolist is an individual, group, or company that exerts total control over a particular market for a good or service. This market dominance not only creates significant economic power but also raises ethical questions about consumer choice and pricing strategies. Monopolists typically operate in an environment with minimal to no competition, leading to high prices and limited options for consumers. Key takeaways. Market control. Monopolists dominate and control the market for specific goods or services. Impact on pricing. The absence of competition allows monopolists to set prices significantly higher than the marginal cost of production. Regulatory oversight. While simply being a monopolist is not illegal, monopolistic practices are subject to scrutiny under antitrust laws aimed at ensuring fair competition. Legal monopolies. Certain monopolies are legally sanctioned, such as public utilities, to encourage investment and protect public interests. Understanding monopolists. Definition and distinction. Monopolies are characterized by a single supplier providing a particular product or service. They differ from monopsony, where a single buyer holds significant market power, and oligopoly, where a few companies dominate the market. The intricacies of monopolistic behavior are revealed in the details. Lack of competition. The absence of competing entities leads to a stagnant market with little innovation or improvement in products. No substitutes. Consumers face a lack of alternative products, which grants monopolists significant bargaining power. Price setting. Monopolists can often set prices significantly above marginal costs, leading to substantial profits. Economic theories view monopolists as singular sellers, while legal definitions focus on market power, essentially, the capacity to charge inflated prices without facing competition. Notably, even small businesses can function as monopolists in niche markets. Formation of monopolies. Monopolies can develop through various avenues. Government designation. Some monopolies are established through governmental measures. Market dynamics. Others may arise organically as businesses grow and eliminate competition. Mergers and acquisitions. The consolidation of companies can lead to monopolistic market structures. Criticism of monopolists. Market power and consumer impact. The presence of a monopolist raises concerns about the suppression of competition. When a single company holds immense market power, it can deter new entrants from breaking into the market. Resulting issues for consumers include limited choices. Consumers are often left with no recourse but to accept higher prices or forego the product altogether. Stagnant innovation. With no competitive pressure, monopolists have less incentive to innovate or improve their offerings. Regulatory framework. Governments enact antitrust laws to protect consumers and encourage fair competition. These laws prohibit specific monopolistic practices, such as price gouging, and may result in remedies such as financial penalties for violators, judicial mandates to break up monopolistic entities. The enforcement of antitrust laws is essential in maintaining a balanced economic environment where competition can thrive and consumers have choices. Government-granted monopolies. A government-granted monopoly, or legal monopoly, differs from traditional monopolies because it is sanctioned by the state. Examples include utilities. Companies in electricity, water, and gas services often enjoy monopoly status to ensure that essential services are provided uniformly and economically. Intellectual property. Patents and copyrights grant temporary monopolies to innovators to encourage investment in research and development. Legal monopolies serve public interest, as they often provide essential services that are not inherently profitable due to high costs and risks. Characteristics of true monopolists. Identifying a true monopolist involves examining several key characteristics. Single supplier. The monopolist is the sole provider of a good or service to the marketplace. Price control. The monopolist has the power to set prices without facing competitive constraints. High barriers to entry. potential competitors find it challenging to enter the market due to high costs, regulatory barriers, or established market control. Profit maximization. The monopolist's sole motivation often lies in maximizing profits rather than improving product quality or customer service. Conclusion. Understanding monopolists reveals the complexities of market dynamics and consumer relationships. While their presence can lead to certain efficiencies, the accompanying ethical and economic challenges necessitate vigilant regulatory oversight. By maintaining a competitive market landscape, governments can help ensure that consumers have choices, fair prices, and innovative products that contribute to overall economic health. Whether through antitrust legislation or controlled monopolies, the balance between market power and consumer protection remains a critical focus for policymakers around the globe.